Hi there. How do you be authentic with yourself and with your colleagues at work and at home? Number one, state who you are, state your need very clearly and calmly, and be consistent with it. Number two, it's okay. Give yourself permission to be authentic within the context, of course. Now, number three, be authentic, be authentically you by embracing your hobbies, what you love, what you like, what you gravitate towards. Drop the judgment and embrace them. Follow your heart. All right, I am Kate, the founder of Life of Emerald. We help you build a simple lifestyle using media and psychological concepts. We help you reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Let's have some fun. Catch you later.